Check your plumbing. Plumbing issues can escalate quickly, so staying ahead of potential problems is essential. Inspect pipes under sinks and in basements for signs of leaks, rust, or corrosion. Even a small drip can waste gallons of water and lead to costly water damage. Drain maintenance is another must. Use strainers in sinks and showers to catch hair and debris, preventing clogs. For kitchen sinks, avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain, as these substances can solidify and cause blockages over time. If you notice slow drainage, use a natural enzyme-based cleaner to break down buildup safely. Water heaters also require regular attention. Flush the tank once a year to remove sediment, which can reduce efficiency and shorten its lifespan. Check the temperature setting and ensure it's not higher than 120 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent scalding and save on energy costs. Watch for signs of hidden plumbing issues, such as water stains on walls, unusually high water bills, or the sound of running water when fixtures are off. Addressing these issues early keeps your plumbing system in top shape and prevents surprise repair bills.